Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am Engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this digital multimeter test probe. It's very important to know if these test probes are working correctly. How I know that? It's very easy. When we test this test probe, we are watching if the energy from this point to this point is moving correctly. It's the same with this test probe, from this to this. For test this, we are going to use this digital multimeter. In the mode, let me see here, continuity mode. Now we are going to choose this continuity mode. Is in this point. Use this selector and choose continuity mode. In this case, this continuity mode show me if there is continuity or not with sound or not sound. In this way. If I touch this test probe with this one, the digital multimeter will create a sound. This means we have continuity. Now, while we are listening the sound from the digital multimeter, we must move this point, and this point, and this point. If the sound from the digital multimeter continue all the time, means the test probes are good. Let's start. Touch this test probe with this one. Okay, now we have continuity. Now, and move this point, and the digital multimeter continue creating the sound. This means these test probes are working correctly because the connection between these 2 points and these 2 points continue correctly. If you do this and when touch here, the sound stop. When I move this, means the problem is in this point, for example. And in this way, you can know if the test probes are working correctly or not. In this case, these test probes are good in this case. This is very important to avoid mistake of measure or testing with the digital multimeter. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English here on YouTube. Share this video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.